today you will see me that I'm in on a new account because I have a lot of codes for you guys. So first, let's go to Bee Swarm Simulator because that's what I have all the codes for. So let's play. I'll meet you guys there in just a second whenever I have all the codes. Okay guys, I didn't go get the codes, I just had to join in. I don't know why I do these little things where I pause. Okay, so now we're in. Let's open an egg. Let's put that in there. We got a basic bee. Good. So now we're going to do all the codes. So the first code that you are going to want to do is nectar. So the code is nectar. I'm going to type that in. Well, I don't really type it in. I just do that. Okay, so now I'm going to do the next code. The next code is this. Oh, whoops. Oh, well, why is it going away? Okay, there it is. It's COG. COG is going to give you 5 tickets. Now I'm going to tell you the next code. Okay, I'll just tell you the next codes through voice. So this is, oh, what? Oh gosh, I think I messed up. I messed up, so I had to fix it. Now the code was wax, and the next one's going to be crawlers. I'll just type that one in. Oh, crawlers. Crawlers is going to give you 5 tickets, and wax is going to give you 5 tickets and 5,000 honey. So now, right now, I have a total of 10,000 honey. I'm going to tell you the next. I'm going to tell you the next codes. Okay, in just a second. Okay, so the next codes are Botmaster. Oh gosh. Yeah. Yeah. A lot. I'm making a YouTube video. I'm making a YouTube video. Oh, whoops. Oh, I guess it doesn't. Okay, I'll tell her my channel, then she can watch it. My channel, okay, my channel. My channel name is Noah. Wait, oh, whoop. Noah LOL. I'll post a video. I'll post the video so you can see. My channel name is Noah. I'll post so you can see. Okay. So I'm telling her that she needs to watch the video. Okay. So I'm going to tell you the next code. Okay, I had a little chat with her because she didn't know. She said she's gonna subscribe and she's gonna look at the video. Okay, here's the next code. Buzz. Buzz is pretty good. It will give you 5,000 honey. And on this video, you guys are gonna blow your mind because I have a really, really, really good one. Okay, so I'll do the next code in just a second. On this one, I'm kind of happy that I saved it on a notepad. It is Concessor or whatever. I'll spell it out. It's CONNOISSEUR. And that will give you 5 tickets. Oh, it's not a code. Wait, she thinks that my YouTube channel is a code. It's not a code. It's not a code. But I'll tell you a really good one in just a sec. I will tell you a really good one. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to pause the video so you guys don't skip ahead. I'm gonna tell you the code. Okay guys, I just told you the code. She's gonna get a lot of cool stuff. I don't think she understands. Oh, got it. She got it? I don't think she got it. Because that's not what she's supposed to look like. Okay, well, whatever. Okay, so the next code is roof. Okay, so the next code is roof. I don't know why. That's weird. It's just really weird. I could have just typed that out. Oh, okay, she got it. Okay, so she got it. That's what you guys are gonna have. You guys are gonna have a lot of speed. Your computer's just gonna blow up. Okay, So the next code, I'll just type this one. It's 38217. You will receive 5 tickets. And tickets are really good because if you get 50 tickets, you can get a gold egg. Okay, so I'm almost at I'm almost at 50 tickets, and if I get that, then I'll get a gold egg. Okay, she's gonna subscribe. Okay, thanks. Okay, so if you get the bear, then that's good, because that means you did it. But the next code is going, I was trying to tell you that if you get 50 tickets, that's really good, because then you'll be able to get the gold egg. So here comes the next code. Some of these next codes, I don't know if they will work. So I don't know if this one's gonna work, but I'm gonna try. So it's pectin. Yeah, it's an Inveld, it says. Okay, I'm gonna try the next ones. Just wait, okay? I don't know if the next 2 are gonna work, but I'm gonna try this one. I think you'll get gumdrops. Yep, it's an Inveld code. Next code. Okay, here's the next code. I'm not sure if this one will work either. Whoops, I didn't type it in. Boom. Why do I keep on doing this? Boom. Okay, this is not working. There. Type it in, it's an Inveld. Of course! Next. If this one doesn't work, then I'll know why. Okay. Oh! There. This one doesn't work, then I know why. Oh, it did. I received 5 tickets, 5,000 honey, dandelion field boost, 7 times 7. Received haste. Okay. So here comes the next code. Okay, on this one, I really don't know if it's going to work. And boom. That's an Inveld. Of course. Next. Okay, the other one it was going to be Whoops, but I knew that one wouldn't work. If you give me more, I would have a what? What? If you give one more, I will like your vid. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, so what was one of them? Okay, so the one that we just did was Wink. Okay. Wink. That's the one that was really good. Okay, so I told her it. Here's the next code, guys. Cookie Club. For this one, you'll need to join the group. So watch. I'm not in the group, so in just a second I'll join. I'll get back to you guys. Well, I'll do that at the end of the video. So okay, she said okay. Okay, I'll tell you guys. Well, you guys already know it. It's just you need to be with the club to do this. Next code. Okay, guys. So here's the next code. This one you don't. I'm going to be paused for a while now. Okay, well, whatever. Okay, so here's the next code. This one you don't need to be with the group. It's fruit salad. This one is really good because it'll get more pineapples, more strawberries, more blueberries. Okay, next code. And this is going to be the best one ever. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. So I just got the code right now. It's on my screen. Well, it's not on the screen. It's in the code thing. So this one is called 1M favorites. Watch this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Do you see all this? Seriously, does this not blow your mind or anything? Look at all of this. Look, is this just not blowing your mind? Look at all of this. I mean, I could just scream right now and look at all of this. So, this is the end of the video, guys. I know that you guys would want more. If you want more code videos, then make sure to tell me what game and leave a like and say I subscribed and also say that you liked the video, and then I will do a code video on that. Good.